This video is brought to you by Squarespace. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is an all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and run your business. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're going to be talking about my Christmas wish list. If you guys just want a more wide range of gift ideas, I also already filmed that video, so you guys can check that out. But today we're just talking about what I want for Christmas. Do I think I'm going to get all these things? No. But if I don't, I'm just gonna buy them myself. They're really not crazy. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing on my Christmas wish list are a pair of riding boots. I've been talking about riding boots on my channel for a couple months now, it feels like, and I just have not found the right pair, but I actually found a really good pair on either Poshmark or eBay. I'll put the picture up, but I'm not putting the listing because I don't want you to buy them. I want them. I can link some similar ones down below. I finally found a pair that I feel like are the good width on the bottom that aren't like too chunky, but also aren't like pilgrim steppers. If you know, you know. They also have a flat top, and they actually have two buckles, which I think two buckles said I didn't like, but for some reason I like them on this one. If I were to buy riding boots myself, I don't think I'd get these ones because they're $200, but I swear every single pair that I like are like $1,000, and I just have expensive taste apparently. But if I got them myself, I'd try to find a pair that were like $100 or under $100. Next thing on my Christmas wish list is a quilted military jacket. Again, this is something that I've been talking about for a minute now. I found a few on Poshmark or eBay, or one of them. I can't keep them straight, honestly. I'm on Depop, Poshmark, and eBay like 24/7, so I forget where I find certain things. But these quilted military jackets come up all the time. I can again link some down below for you guys. I think that these just will be a really great like liner layer for like the winter time. I don't know, I'm just into them. Also, I do have a lot of jackets, and this is where I'm like, maybe I won't want the military jacket as much once I'm not pregnant, because all my jackets are too small. They don't like zip up my belly. So I've been wearing Brandon, my boyfriend's jackets all the time because he buys them so large that they can zip up my 9-month belly. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like I don't have any jackets. I need jackets, but I have jackets. They just don't fit right now. The next thing I have on my list is a teddy jacket, but I want it to have wide sleeves, and I haven't found one that I like yet that's a decent price. And I've been wearing my boyfriend's like fleece kind of teddy jacket, but it's plaid, and I think like a brown one or a tan one would be really cute. These are things that normally I would just like buy as soon as I want them because I have no self-control, but every year I never have anything to ask for Christmas, so I'm just like trying to wait and hold back. Also, it's not like I need any of these things anytime soon because I'm not going anywhere because pregnant. The next thing on my list are the Onitsuka Tigers in the style Mexico 66, and I want them to be the black and yellow ones. I just have so many outfit ideas for these sneakers, and as much as like I like to get away from sneakers and wear like my loafers, and I want to be like a riding boot girl and just wear riding boots all the time, I'm such a sneaker girl. I think it's too easy. So if I have like a fun colorful pair, it might add a little bit more to an outfit rather than like just a white or black pair. But again, those are a pair of shoes I've talked about for a minute. And I always have them in my cart, and I'm about to check out, and I'm like, you know what, I'll just wait till Christmas and ask for them. The next thing I really want is something that I had back in high school, and that's an Instax camera. So one of those like Polaroid, prints out a little Polaroid picture immediately. I think these are under $100, and I have so many little Polaroid pictures from high school and like beginning of college because it was so easy to take them and so fun to take them. And as much as like I love my film cameras, I just don't use it as much because it's not that instant gratification that a Polaroid camera is. And I have so many Polaroid pictures from like times I would have never thought to take a picture. And again, having a baby, I think it would just be really great to have a Polaroid camera and be able to slip the photos in a scrapbook immediately. So I'm going back to Polaroid hipster girly. Next thing on my list is the Laneige lip mask. I had 2 of these tubes last year, and I'm almost through my second one. I use chapstick like until it's completely gone, and I had the tub before and I scraped it until the last bit was in there. People are always like, oh my god, I'll never finish a chapstick. I never finish those. I always finish them, and I'm running out, and I thought it'd be a good thing just to add on my wish list. The next thing on my list are this pair of Uniqlo jeans. So these again are something that I would have bought immediately if it wouldn't have been for me being pregnant and not knowing what size I'm going to be postpartum. I think that these just look like a really great wash and fit, and they're pretty inexpensive, and I want to wear them with the Onitsuka yellow sneakers and like a denim jacket, and obviously a million other ways, but these jeans look really, really good, and again, cheap. they're not like $200. So, and then the next two things on my list are my Depop likes and my Poshmark likes, but I'm pretty sure, let's see what they are. I'm not linking them again because I don't want you guys to buy them. They're for me, but I can put pictures. Okay, so in my Poshmark likes, I have the riding boots. That's the only thing. And then in my Depop likes, we can look at eBay too. Or my Depop saved because they're secret. I have two coveralls that I'll put pictures of. One's $90 and the other one's $50, but I am such a sucker for coveralls or like these jumpsuits. I wear them all the time before I was pregnant and they fit me, but I feel like postpartum, they're just such an easy thing to throw on, and it's like a full outfit. You look so chic, so cool. You can dress them up, dress them down, and I like that they have buttons on the front so I can like whip a boobie out and breastfeed when I need to. Okay, that's funny. And then let's look at eBay. My eBay watch list, nothing right now. Nice. Yeah, so only those two things off my Depop and Poshmark likes. Before we get any further into this video, I want to say thank you again to our sponsor, Squarespace. I've been using Squarespace since college. I used it to design my portfolio when I was job hunting. Squarespace is a perfect place to keep all of your documents in one place and well organized. I know so many of you guys have recently graduated or are graduating this year, and it's really important if you're going into something creative to have an online portfolio, and Squarespace is definitely the place to do that. Along with portfolios, another aspect of Squarespace that I love and know all of you will appreciate is the ability to connect all your social media accounts. Our creativity comes from so many different medias now. It's important to have a place where they can all come together and be found with ease. Squarespace allows you to display posts from your social profiles on your website, automatically push website content to your favorite social media channels as your followers can share it too. An important backbone to any successful growth on the internet has to be analytics. Squarespace gains powerful insights about your site's visitors and how they interact with your content with the analytics tools. Learn more about your page views, traffic sources, time on site, most read content, audience geography, and more. If you've ever thought about curating an online portfolio or starting a social media presence, check out squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/LanieOzark to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. I can't recommend Squarespace enough. Definitely check them out. And the last thing on my list that honestly I think is a really good gift idea as well are the UGG boot guards. So they're these like little leather like gloves almost that you can put on your UGG boots so they don't get water damage, because I always talk about how destroyed mine get. So mine are already destroyed, but to not let them get so destroyed, I think I'd want these. I'd probably get them just like in the matching color. I have the chestnut UGGs, so get the like tan little boot cover. I've seen these before and I don't know why I just never got them. Again, it just seems like something super practical and useful and right to put on my Christmas wish list. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link everything I can in the description box for you guys. Let me know what you're asking for Christmas this year and maybe what you're giving as well. I love you guys the absolute most, and I'll see you guys in a few days. Bye.